This sentiment was shared by the minister during his daily COVID-19 update on Wednesday.
Whenever we give out first dose of Astra Zeneca, because it's the same vaccine that you do for first and second dose, that we'll issue about half of the amount that we have and keep back half for that second dose. Okay. So we have just given out half of what we have as the first dose.
The minister noted that if they continue administering first doses of the AstraZeneca vaccines, there will be no second doses.
Those persons who are now 4 weeks to 12 weeks after their first dose, or any time in between that, they can come back and get their second dose.
A few weeks ago, the minister made a fuss that persons who had taken the first dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine were not returning for their second doses. As such, on Wednesday, the minister pleaded with these persons to return for their second doses. It was not conveyed by the minister whether more AstraZeneca doses will be procured. However, it was noted that plans are in the pipeline to procure other vaccines, including additional Pfizer vaccines. Meanwhile, the minister once again gave the assurance that the Ocean View COVID-19 facility has no issues with the staff nor meals for patients.
But every time someone leaves the facility and would have to come in back, they'll have to go through a very strict sanitizing protocol, and they would also have to change their clothing. So we have two persons who are contracted to provide meals for the Ocean View facility, two suppliers, and they supply adequate amounts of food for both patient and staff.
Additionally, the minister encouraged persons who are due for their second dose of the Sputnik vaccine to ensure that they access the jabs. He further reminded persons that the vaccines will be administered on a first-come, first-served basis. A total of 50,000 Sputnik second doses were received by the government on Monday after weeks of irregular and insufficient shipment of the vaccines. Reporting for the HGP 90 News, Kendell Richmond.